Cool. Alright. Right, left, up, down. Oh, Jesus.
You mean bitten? Man, there's like no wind.
None.
The sun, that's what I got behind you guys. Alright, thanks. Oh, dude, you can still
I can see it in the sun.
The best part is those two combined LEDs
Uh-huh.
use up a little, almost the same as one of Rand's.
Seriously?
Yeah, just a little bit more. Taking off.
I want to see you go up first. Oh, that's cool. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that's cool. All right, going up.
Timer cleared. Gear up.
Ooh, I like that. I like Rand. So funny. I've gotten so used to flying till if something's out of trim, I still fly it normal, and then I'm like, oh wait a minute, I need to trim it. All right, I guess I should trim. There we go.
2 minutes.
Sweet. Oh wow, yeah, I can see it perfectly. That's
you
nice.
have Rand's in that one, right?
Yeah, but I'm talking about yours.
Yeah. And I think
Oh, that's super bright, Frankie.
yeah, they're about the same.
But you can see on both
Yeah.
sides.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I think I can make it a little bit brighter.
But what I'm liking is since it's pointing in both directions, it's more visible.
Yeah, brightness, they're pretty close, I think.
Yeah. But it's just more visible.
Especially for bifurcated itself.
That's what I mean, yeah. See, with mine, it's just straight down the back. There's no obstruction.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
How's your voltage? You've been flying low throttle.
30 seconds.
Okay.
Oh shit.
Come in. Yeah, I'll be up for a while. Oh yeah, that looks good.
10.
I'm coming downwind.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Yeah, this battery is
Here, Frankie, look. See that?
yeah.
Actually looks pretty good.
That does.
Even by the sun, you can still see it.
Yeah. I want to see what the one setup is.
Ooh, these new servos. I'm loving it. I put in digital metal gear. These are just Tower Pro, but they're way better than stock.
dead.
Dead calm. Oh, I gotta do that.
1
That
minute over.
that rudder roll. That thing looks cool when I do that.
Oh man, those birdies are amazing in flight. That's pretty cool. Doing their thing. Like,
Oh.
super precise.
Yeah, this one. Oh yeah. See, I didn't realize my rudder was backwards. No wonder why it was falling off. It's going the wrong damn way.
Nice.
Oh, you gotta see what the Hawk does. I gotta show you. It does a pop top, like the 3D planes.
2 minutes over.
Alright, let's get the gear out and come in.
Gear down.
Hey! What the heck? Oh my god.
The heck is
Hi,
that?
Ray.
Is that Kazra?
Isn't that weird?
Is that Kazra?
It's fucking Kazra.
I don't believe it.
How you been? How's it going?
Kazra!
Hi, Ray.
What's up, man? Hey, shake my
Congrats.
hand. How are you?
Zach, I heard Bayside it's opening soon again.
They
No?
said that. It was supposed to be last week. 2 weeks ago, actually. There's still one other thing in the way, but
You
I'm
guys making the trek here? How many times a weekend?
once.
I don't like Sacras because of the marsh
Yeah.
and the afterburner.
Yeah.
But I also couldn't find it. Like,
Okay, that's number one problem.
no, but it's close. It's good.
I got my
Oh, you did good. Hey, Kazra, have you done the inverted spin with that thing yet?